Hello, nice to meet you at all. My name is May. Today, I will recommend this product. Okay, let's start. It's the product, the MacBook Pro M4 of Apple. Now, I summarize key highlights of MacBook Pro M4. Performance comparison. The MacBook M4 Pro delivers impressive performance, but it does not quite match the power of the Mac Mini M4. This observation is crucial for users deciding between the portability of a laptop and the enhanced performance of a desktop. MacBook Air model M series chip typically offer the longest battery life of an everyday task. MacBook Pro model with M series Pro or Mac chips provides high performance but may have slightly shorter battery life under heavy workloads. Battery health and charging habit also affect the overall battery life. Nanotexture display. Nanotexture display technology, which reduce glare and reflections, providing a clear viewer experience as especially in bright environment. This feature enhance visual clarity without compromising color accuracy. User experience. After using the MacBook Pro M4 for 6 months, I expressed high satisfaction with the diverse display not surpassing. The MacBook Mini M4 is raw performance a laptop, portability, display quality, and overall user experience make it a preferred choice for many use. Efficiency. MacBook with Apple Silicon are known for their exceptional battery life, generally for fast surpassing Huawei as interface models. Actual battery performance variety based on using such as running demanding applications, video playback, or general browsing. Factor affecting battery life include screen brightness, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth connectivity, and the type of application used. Improvement. Apple Silicon chips are high energy efficient, generating less heat. The latest MacBook Air models are fitness while high performance MacBook Pro models feature improved cooling systems. The thermal design is optimized to handle the heat generated by M series chips, resulting in quieter and cooler operation compared to prior generation. I think this product gives M power to create work and connect study efficiently. Okay, I would like to end my presentation here. Thank you.